Hello everyone, myself Navita Madik and my topic name is why workplace violence happens and assuming you have your own company with 10-15 employees, how do you intend to prevent workplace violence in your workplace? Definition of workplace violence. Workplace violence is any physical assault, threatening behavior or verbal abuse occurring in the work setting. A workplace may be a location either permanent or temporary where an employee performs any work related duty. What is considered violence in the workplace? Workplace violence is any act or state of physical violence, harassment, intimidation, or other threatening, descriptive behavior that occurs at the worksite. It ranges from threats and verbal abuse to physical assaults and even homicide. What causes workplace violence? Staff, short, staff shortage, increased patients, morbidities, exposure to violent individuals, and the absence of strong workplace violence. Prevention program and protective regulation are all barriers to eliminating violence against healthcare workers. Scope of workplace violence: any conduct which causes an individual to reasonable fear for his or her personal safety or the safety of his or her workers, family, friends, and or property. Physical assault with or without weapons, bullying and intimidation, stalking, and domestic violence in the workplace. Statistics of a workplace violence: 22% of workplace homicides involve former employee, 43% of workplace homicide involve current employees, 21% of workplace homicides involve domestic disputes. Workplace homicides declined 7% in 2010 to the lowest total ever recorded by the fatality census, but workplace homicide involving women increased by 13%. 14% involves customer or client. 18% of all worker-related fatal occupational injuries are homicides. 16,019 cases of non-fatal assault and violent acts by presenting requiring days away from work in private industry. Cause of workplace violence. Workplace violence is rarely random or unpredictable but result from interaction from two factors: personal factor, workplace factor. Employee obligations. Federal Occupational and Safety Act requires employers to protect employees against recognized workplace safety and health hazards. Workplace violence is such a hazard. Employer obligations. Employer may be held liable for the violent act of an employee if the employer negligently hired the employee, negligently supervised the employee, negligently trained the employee, negligently retained the employee. Employee rights. Employees are protected against discrimination due to mental or emotional conditions, but employer may terminate employees who are a direct threat to the safety of the health of the employee or others, unqualified to perform the job. Workplace violence prevention, access risks, plan action, educate people. External risk factor. First is working alone or in small numbers. Second, working late night, early morning. Third, working with money. Fourth, delivering passenger goods or services. Fifth, having a mobile workplace. Sixth, working in high crime areas. Seven, guarding property or possessions. Eight, contact with the people. Internal risk factor. First, highly competitive sector with the intense workload. Second, restraint of an organization, example, impending layoffs. Ignoring warning signs from certain individuals to have a grip with co-workers or management. Allowing and going feud between a co-workers to go unaddressed by management. Chronic verbal abuse by a supervisor toward workers. Denial of the part of management regarding employee retention or favorism towards one party. Old school mentality by management that tolerates and enables supervisor abuse. Plan action. Don't permit employee to work alone late at night or early morning. Require buddy system or security escort of employee work late. Design workspace to prevent entrapment. Train staff in ways to diffuse violence. Place covers and mirrors at hallway intersection, maintain good lighting indoors and outdoors, prepare plan for consumer who act out, control access to employee work areas, educate people, zero tolerance statement, anti-harassment policy, availability of resources, human resources, security, employee assistance program, procedures, reporting concern, threats or acts, emergency. Solutions. If I am the owner of the company, I will definitely implement the following policies. Complete background checks on new employees, create a policy that prevent harassment, create an effective line of communication, training and awareness are key factor in workplace violence prevention, establish a strict anti-violence policy. Encourage your employee to accept individual differences, prevent conflict from turning into harassment or violence, manage visitor and provide security monitoring, encourage everyone to report any and all violence incidents, data robbers with limited assets on hand, identify organizational risk factor that could lead to violence. Thank you.